We are going to Bjørn's house and we are gonna put this in a press gift paper. And then we stream snipe him on his birthday, you know, today. So we gotta stream snipe him today as we speak, right now in 1 hour, like 1 hour. We are watching his stream.
And he's home.
He's at home. He's home.
So it's a long slum.
Today we'll make Bjørn drunk as fuck. You understand? Full gaze. That's the bad lightning. Hi. What a beautiful, beautiful life. We are heading to Bjørn in 5 minutes. Purpose, you understand? We are doing this because we have to. We have to get Bjørn in a good mood. And it's his birthday. It's actually, if you think about it, we are like Bjørn when he sniffs at Ice Poseidon. So it's, I don't think it's here actually. For example, right? I remember his number, because you know I like numbers, it gave 5. So 1 plus 5 is a 6. So it's like 14, 23, 32, something like this. It gave a 5. I remember it was 5. So this is a 6, 1 plus 5 is equal of 5, I remember. Because I look at this.
Yeah.
So like he lives in a 5 room, you know?
Yeah.
So we know that it has to equal a 5 and it has to have no bushes outside.
Alright, yeah.
We are going to his fucking house. Illegal immigrants. It might just be fucking here. It looks exactly like this. 33. 33. 35.
31. 33.
So it's not
29.
33, I remember. It's not that one. But the thing is, bro, there's no door telephone. Yo, Justin Biener, what's good, bro? Do you recognize the place we are? We are looking for Bjørn's apartment. We don't know the exact location, but we are just checking out the neighborhood, you know? So we are looking where he is. We don't know the exact position, but we know it's like approximately. So yeah, it's literally, bro, we're about to knock his door. We have I'll show you. Because he turned 55 years old. So we are gonna stream snipe him and just drink with him and have a good time. So he's a little hesitant on the alcohol, but we have to force him. We force him. But the thing is, bro, Justin, we don't know his exact location. That's the thing. We know just kind of approximately. Oh, dude, that's good. I mean, bro, thank you. I have to tell Stefan is peeing right now. Exactly, it's 14. It equals a 5. Bro, he says it's Højkær 14. Højkær 14. Kan du sige, at 14 det giver en 5'er? 1 plus 4. Højkær 14. Justin Biener.
Justin Biener?
Yeah, Højkær 14.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, yeah. They are 14.
He's there right now?
Yeah. No. It's because...
What is
it? Number 14. Yeah, jeg sagde, kan du sige, det giver en 5'er?
No
okay,
way.
so you go on Google Maps.
Om 100 meter destinationen er på venstre side. Højkær 14.
Imagine this.
It's coming.
Oh yeah, look at that. Zoom it in. Are you ready?
Yes, come on.
I got it. It's open. Tillykke med det.
Bjørn!
Tillykke.
Bjørn.
Er det godt humør?
Forstyrrer vi nu?
Er det undskyld, hvis vi forstyrrer? Ja, lækker. Skal vi gøre det? Er det plads for bare sidde? Yes, sir! Yes. Oh, we'll never guess what it is. We'll never guess. Will sidde, Alec? Yes, sir! You see this shit?
Yeah, it's a white wine.
It's a white wine, exactly.
Tak.
Ja, selvfølgelig. King Bjørn, exactly Ida. It's just some Ida, you know Ida Hass. Mm-hmm. She typed King Bjørn at 12 because we were gonna see something earlier, but you went offline. We saw he's at home, so we like, oh fuck, is he home or is he not? So we took the chance and now we're here, chat. All the clips from Claus is the guy who clips you. You know the guy?
Yeah, he's stupid.
So fucking hot. Can I open this one more?
Oh yeah. Sorry about that. It's very hot.
It's
And
not okay, bro.
also in the kitchen you can
In the
open.
kitchen?
But he talked bad about me and my wife, and he make funny videos of us.
Okay, it's
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big class, my man. Look at this. He says he started from the one, and then in prison he has these ones. So he started with
Det
this
er
one.
om Egypten og dets naboer.
It's about Egypt.
For 250.000 år siden.
Okay, so it's like half monkey, half human.
Half human.
Half human, yeah.
Half monkey, half human.
You have to get lit today. Today is Friday for me because I work on Friday, you understand? So Wednesday is Friday for me. So today, chat, we are about to go outside in the good weather. It's so fucking hot in here. Is Scott even streaming right now, or is it just for us? It's only for us right now. Right? No stream right. It's only me. You can only see it from here. So let's see if we can get Bjørn to take some tequila, of course. It's with a power bank, he says. That's good for us because we are very amateur streamers. Today we take care of the content thing.
Det var godt på.
Det er der sgu ikke på Carlsberg.
Det er nogle flotte farver, det der gule
What a
farver.
content king. Beautiful fucking day, man.
Yes.
Glad to fucking be here. He accepted us into his family, man. Doing right now, if it wasn't for Bjørn right now, we should be sitting playing card games in our apartment. You remember the day you was in my apartment? You say your good kick and all. Yeah, and that's why it's even here in the first place. If it wasn't for that,
How did it go?
it did. Oh, we got 30 followers.
Ask, how did it go?
Go what?
Did you like me or you hate you?
No, we love you, bro.
Nej, bro. Fuck det der tequila. Vi skulle...
Pas på hatten. Den er ned.
Hav.
Directly from England.
Scottish whiskey.
Scottish whiskey.
Triple matured.
It bet. Okay. Say less. Okay. We left him in the hospital. Oh fuck, he got too much scotch. In Denmark we don't care. In Denmark we don't give a fuck, right? Is what you say. In Denmark we don't give a
I
fuck.
would probably kick him.
Yeah. Why
Kick him in his head.
But let's fucking cheers in this
Going to
bitch.
do it?
We didn't come here for.
Chat.
I don't give a shit about the chat. We are here to the content king. You understand?
Let's drink up.
Follow in the chat. Oh my lord, Jesus, yeah, that shit.
That's really good. Oh. Jeg skal ikke have mere af det.
Hello! Vi er streamstivers. Oh. This is... Yeah, we should streamers. We don't know what the fuck is going on. Come here. Skal du have et shot? Yo. Come, pussy. Come. He doesn't drink?
No.
He does not? Never? No. Spusserin, she was just here, but she doesn't drink. Maybe she's a little shy, I don't know. Hey guys. It's not that bad. Okay, it's kind of bad. Why Bjørn hates me? Do you know him?
Mm.
Mr. T?
Mm.
He asked me why you hate him. Do you hate him?
Mm-hmm.
He says, yes. I don't know you guys' history. Do you have history together? Do you know him? You don't like him? Oh, Stefan has.
Stefan has the key.
He's the brown-haired guy. Hello, Buzerin.
What do you need the key?
I come from.
You need a basement?
Yeah.
I can open for you.
It's not Vera.
Yes, it does.
No,
You have to do correctly. You do wrong.
by try.
I need the key.
You try. You want a shot or something?
No,
No, you don't drink? Why not?
I have to go training.
Oh, you are working out.
What's
Wait.
your name?
My name is Anders.
Anas.
In Danish, Anders.
Yeah.
Yes. And today we saw Bjørn.
Already drunk?
Yeah, I'm kind